I'm going to show you how easy it is to make one of these. You always want to click this one, which is top. See right here where it says top? I'll usually click top instead of this, but just click top like this. Okay, now we got to create a sketch, and I usually click that after I hit create sketch. Now you can go down here to circle, center circle, or you can just click right here, center circle, and then just pull it out how big you want your deal to be around. That's on 80. Let's type in 70. There's 70, hit enter. Okay, now click on this, hit E for extrude. Type in 50 and hit enter. And now hold your middle mouse button. And that's not very tall, but I could go over here and edit the extrude, but I'm afraid that might throw you off, so we won't do that. Click right here, and then see right here it says shell. Click shell, and then pull it in. Let's just type 4 right here. Type 4. I wanted an even number of 4 and hit enter. Now, see, you got your deal. Oh, I hate it when I do that, because now I gotta get this back. I don't gotta get it back. I like it on front. Okay, now this is the fun part. Just get it up here close to you. Just click front, that way it'll be square with you. Create sketch, and then click this right here. See, there's one down there, and there's one over on the side. Just click this one right here, and it just keeps it hit front again. I click this pan right here to pull it around sometimes, but click select, click front. I'm just trying to get it over a little bit. Okay, now go to slot, center to center slot. Okay, left click right here, and then draw a line about like this right here. Okay, now let go, and then push again. I don't think you have to push again, but see, that's at 6. Let's type in 6 and hit enter. There we go, 6 and hit enter. And I believe we finished sketch. Now go to create, emboss right here. Okay, sketch profile. See how it's already lit? Click this. Faces, select it, click this. See how it cut one through there already? If it don't, then change this to a -4, -6. Yours might be on -2 and didn't cut all the way through. And then make sure this is on deboss. See, here's emboss, deboss. Click OK. Now you go back to create, pattern, circular pattern. Okay, then the features, you You want to make sure this is on features, not bodies, faces, or components. Features. Objects, select. You got to get this hole selected. There's many ways to do it. I could come over here. I'm going to click it. See how it lit up? I click this one here. That's what's called the object. That right there that's lit up. Now turn it until you can see. Click on axis. And then just look through the hole and see the axis in there. The one going straight up. Click it. It automatically does 3. Now you can push this button. There's 7. There's 8. There's 9. There's 10. Let's do 10. Click OK. And then we'll click right. And one more thing to do to make it look nice. Click this top and click fillet or fillet, and then type in 2 and then click OK. I'll let you take a look at all this. And look at that nice round top on it. And it's done. Hit A for appearances and colors will come up. I have different colors than you do probably. I have a color pack. But anyways, that's how you can color it if you want. I'm going to click save. It's asking me the name. I'm going to put small slot short. I name things weird. Click save. And now it'll be over here in your library. So, all right. Well, that's the recording. And I'll get it on YouTube and then send you the deal. I know you can make these, bud. And that should boost your confidence a little and help you to get some better deals to put on Maker World. I want to see you do good. So now I got to shut this off. It's kind of hard to do. I'll talk to you later, buddy.